These past couple years may have caused us to go a little bit overboard with the bleaching and disinfecting everything in sight. What?
Hey, so get back here. Don't you want to be clean?
Some of us a little more than others.
I just don't feel clean. Oh, yes. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm not proud of that. With everything starting to finally get back to normal, needless to say, I have a jug or two left over. And that got me, oh, you're over here. And that got me thinking, can you airbrush with bleach? All right, now with me, never having done this before, and to my knowledge, just never been done in the history of the world, I figured it's only proper to take the proper precautions and wear my PPE, because this stuff could be flying through the air. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm sure breathing in bleach isn't good for you. It's not good to get on your hands or your skin. So just be safe, don't be stupid. You wanna experiment, but you want to be smart about it. You wanna live to do more experiments, because you're gonna make beautiful, amazing art like we're about to do right here. And of course, as with many things you're experimenting, you should try this out on something before you start. But we're totally not gonna do that. We're just gonna go for it right on the shirt. Oh, check this out. I figured because this is a shirt and you're gonna be wearing it, even though you're gonna wash it, I got the florally smelling one. It's supposed to smell really good. It does smell good. That's counterproductive. You're not supposed to sniff that stuff, but it does smell good. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Didn't I just clean you in the last episode? Come on, you're making me look like an idiot. I know you don't care. Would you just stop? Okay, that's it, you're done. I'm switching airbrushes. Don't you get that tone with me. All right, now that we have that straightened out, hopefully, let's try again. Woo, comes out pretty good. Okay, so my idea is, I have a picture in mind of a skull with like some wings. I figured that'd be pretty easy. I don't know, we're either gonna do really awesome or it's gonna really screw it up. One way, we'll know if you can airbrush on a shirt with bleach. All right, so if we're airbrushing with bleach, we're gonna be painting the light spots, which is the opposite of what I usually do. I usually paint the black, you know, the dark outlines, all that good stuff. So we're gonna have to think about this a little differently, and I'm not sure how the shading's gonna work either. You should probably get the lint off. Who cares? I'm really nervous about this for some reason. Oh. Dude, that was like instant. Holy cow. What? Oh, that's so awesome. Let's try to do a fade. Just a little bit. Does it do a fade? Ha 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 ha. Yes. Oh, that's so awesome. Let's try to do where I think the nose and eyes would be. It's so weird because you cannot see what you're doing until it takes a few seconds to change. So let's give him some eyebrows. And go out like this and like that. My proportions are probably going to be way off. I'm not even worried about that. This is so cool. See if we can put a little crack. Crack kills. That's what I've heard. So let's draw his nose area. Wow, this was really responsive. Holy moly, this is fantastic. Okay, so I got his nose. Wow, this is so crazy. Give it a minute, and there it is. Wow, this is nuts. Well, that's not right. That is a weird looking eyeball you got there, buddy. We could touch that right up though. Let's do something I know, like the cheekbones. Oh, yes, well, you're committed now, buddy. Just a little bit of shade in there. Wow! Can you see that? Can you see what's coming out right here with the detail? I mean, this is insane. It's so responsive. Now wait and watch. It's just like magic the way that pops up. And I know my proportions are off. I don't even care. This is so nuts. Wow. Get a little shade and color there. A little color here, color there. Wow. Now for the teeth, let's give them some. One tooth there. One tooth there. I gotta wait on him. I can't see what I'm doing. His tooth is a little off. He could be missing a tooth. I think he should be. Oh gosh, that reminds me. I haven't brushed my teeth today.
Bleach. Ah, that burns. Oh yeah, much better.
Alright, now that I got my teethies all freshened up, let's see if we can fix this guy's jacked up grill. Let's just make him drip, who cares? I'm getting way too trigger happy. But I think it will make it work. I think it's cool. We'll give it some streaks and make it look like saliva. Just like everything else, I'm gonna have such a hard time stopping. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few tricks now. First trick I wanna do, I'm gonna do no air, pull back 2 or 3 times and then splatter. There we go, yeah. Wow, I like the lines you can get with this thing, man. So let's get some freehand stencils and spray some stuff around here and see what that does. All right, so when I was over there, I saw that homeboy's head is a little tiny and I need to make it probably a little bigger because he's like way out of proportion. If I hadn't walked over there, I wouldn't have seen it and it wouldn't bother me, but I did, so it does, and I'm gonna fix it, okay? Other thing, the wings. We gotta put the wings on. Oh, almost forgot about that. Let's keep going. I sure hope that blends in. It'll look weird. Let's cross our fingers. Now let's make some wings. That looks like a good spot. All right, let's do one set here.
I got one question for you.
Something good enough, you know? Figured I'd give you a better angle. All right, I think all that's left to do is to sand it and neutralize it with some peroxide. Booyah! Let's go. Man, look at that. Oh, what? Who knew you could airbrush with bleach? Not only that, but it actually turns out pretty fantastic. Gosh. And I bleached out a spot on the back. I might put subscribe to Duncan Custom Airbrush or something like that. I don't know. So I got this idea from watching Jazza. He's always thinking of creative things, and he was painting with bleach. He's like, can you paint with bleach? And I was like, can I airbrush with bleach? I don't see why not. So I thought and I did, and it works. What? Whew, man, what a great video. Oh man, totally forgot about that. Again, not one of my proudest moments. But if you like living on the edge of danger, painting with bleach, I'm just kidding, there's a really safe way to do it. You'll enjoy this video right here where I bleach and sublimate a shirt, and enjoy that while I go dye my hair back brown, okay? Bye. It's 1:20 in the morning. Do you know where your kids are? They're in the bed.